Do you need to edit audio online without downloading heavy software? Learn how to install and use Audacity online, the audio editor available on the Chrome Web Store with Audacity. To get started, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Audio Editor Online, or use the link in the description. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once installed, access it from the extension icon or open the platform directly. Simple and powerful interface. Import audio files in MP3, WAV, or FLAC formats. Edit your audio, cut, copy, paste, and mix tracks easily. Apply effects like echo, amplification, and noise reduction. Export your project in different formats with custom quality settings. Upload an audio file from your computer. Use the editing tools to enhance the sound. Save and download the edited file. Ready to share or use in your project. Now you know how to install and use Audacity online with Audacity. Download the extension and start editing audio like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.